In crypto, prices go up when people buy and down when people sell. But what if a token could mathematically only go up? None of this is financial advice, but let's dive in to UpOnly. So this is UpOnly, and they've literally just officially launched on Mainnet. At its core, UpOnly is a trading platform powered by something called Auto-Ascending Liquidity Mechanism, or ALM for short. Now here is the key idea. The UP token is designed so that its price only increases over time, and that's because of how the liquidity system is structured. Both buying and selling activity contribute to the price growth. There are no traditional order books, no liquidations, and no market makers dumping on users. So instead of relying on hype or speculation, the system is engineered so the price ascends by design. And that's why they say it's not magic, it's math. Now, why is this so different? Well, I'll be honest here, if you've been in crypto for a while, this completely breaks your mental model. Normally, buy pressure means that the price goes up, and sell pressure means that the price goes down. But here, the structure itself pushes price upwards. And that's exactly why I wanted to check this out, and now that it's live on Mainnet, this kind of system is very different from anything we're used to. We can dive a bit deeper into this and see why this kind of system is very different to anything we're used to. So let's jump into the platform and see how this actually works. First up, we've got to connect our wallet. So hit the connect button on the top right, and then select which wallet you want to use. There are tons of different options here, so you're covered no matter what. We'll go with MetaMask for this example. Once you're in, you can go ahead and buy the UP token. You'll choose the amount you want, your leverage level, which is right here, and then all you have to do is press buy and confirm the transaction. Now, once your position is open, this is where everything becomes really clear. You can see exactly how many UP tokens you potentially hold, the USD value of your position, and if you're using leverage, how much your capital is versus the total position size. There's also your leverage factor, your entry price, your P&L, and that will be green if you're in profit, red if you're below entry, and you also have the option to early exit at any time. Now, the important part here is that everything is transparent, everything is visible on chain, and you can monitor your performance in real time. Now, what about their referral system? Well, this is a big part of the ecosystem. UpOnly has a built-in referral system, so everyone gets their own referral link. And here is how it works. If someone joins through your link and buys up, you earn 50% of the fees they generate. So instead of just trading yourself, you can actually build a small network, earn from their activity, and scale your upside beyond your own trades. And the more active your referrals are, the more you earn over time. Here we can see this person on the leaderboard has earned $18,000 from their referrals. So my final thoughts here is this is one of those projects that genuinely challenges how we think about crypto markets, a system where price is mathematically designed to ascend and activity feeds growth. And the users can both earn from trading and referrals. Now that it's live on Mainnet, it'll be interesting to see how it performs in real conditions. If you want to check it out for yourself, I've left a link in the description. Try the platform, explore how the system works, and if you do get started, be sure to use our referral link in the description and begin building your own network as well. Because this isn't just trading, this is a completely different model. So if you want to check it out, go ahead. But that's going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day. I will see you in the next one.